So far when we were discussing about the quantitative methods of estimation of elements in organic compounds, we had seen the process of estimation of hydrogen and carbon by combustion method. This method we have seen, and we have solved numerical problems also. If you have understood the numerical problem, then you will understand the process also. Okay. Next, we had seen Dumas method of estimation of nitrogen. Next method is Kjeldahl'S method. In Kjeldahl'S method, what we do, we take the organic compound and we treat it with H2SO4. If the organic compound contains nitrogen, then it forms ammonium sulfate, and this ammonium sulfate, when treated with sodium hydroxide, gives out ammonia gas. So converting the organic compound up to ammonium sulfate is called as Kjeldahl'ization or digestion. Kjeldahl'ization or digestion. After the nitrogen is separated as ammonium sulfate, then this ammonium sulfate, from this ammonium sulfate, ammonia gas is taken out by treating it with sodium hydroxide. So this ammonia gas is now used for neutralizing H2SO4 solution of known volume and concentration. Then how much of H2SO4 is consumed? From there we come to know that how much of ammonia was produced, and as much of ammonia will be produced, that much will be the proportionate quantity of nitrogen. All right, so this will become more clear to you if I do it in the whiteboard. Okay, because here only snapshots are given. What I will do is I will do it in the white screen or interactive screen, so it will become more clear to you all. Estimation of nitrogen by Kjeldahl'S method. In this, what we do, whatever organic compound is there, any organic compound. Okay, step 1. Any organic compound. To this we put H2SO4 and we warm it or reflux it, means allow it to evaporate and condense. So this process is called as Kjeldahl'ization or digestion or breaking the molecule into smaller molecules or breaking of the molecules. So what we need nitrogen here basically. We need to extract nitrogen, how much of nitrogen is present. This is our target. So this nitrogen here, due to the presence of H2SO4, converts itself into ammonium sulfate. Now, step 2. This ammonium sulfate is treated with sodium hydroxide so that ammonia gas comes out. So inside this, NaOH solution is put in. As a result, what happens? Ammonia gas comes out. Now this ammonia gas is absorbed, is made to be absorbed in a standard sulfuric acid solution. Inside this we put standard H2SO4 solution. Means we know its volume, we know strength or concentration. Now, when ammonia and this H2SO4 they combine, then they undergo neutralization reaction. They form ammonium sulfate again. But this is not the first one, huh? This is second step. This was of step 1. It is of no use now. This is of step 2. Now the remaining H2SO4 which is not neutralized is determined by alkalimetry, means using alkali as a titrating agent. So in this reaction, if we see NH3 plus H2SO4 is forming NH4 whole twice SO4. So how much of ammonia is used here? Twice of ammonia is used. So as much of H2SO4 will be consumed. So H2SO4 consumed will be H2SO4 consumed is equal to initial moles minus final moles. From here we can find out. So that will give us twice of that. As much of H2SO4 will be consumed, twice of that will be ammonia. Now using this method we can find out how much of ammonia is there and how much of nitrogen is there. Let us see how. So target reaction which we got was NH3 twice plus H2SO4 was forming ammonium sulfate. So we know, so by this if we find out the number of moles of ammonia and weight of ammonia, so we know that 14 plus 3 equal to 17 gram of ammonia corresponds to 14 gram of nitrogen. So weight of nitrogen will be equal to 14 divided by 17 gram into x gram of ammonia, whatever x gram of ammonia we will get. This will be the weight of nitrogen. And sample weight of organic compound will be given to us. Will be say sample weight. So percentage of nitrogen will be equal to weight of nitrogen divided by sample weight into 100. This will be even more clear if we pick up a numerical problem. If we will do a numerical problem, it will become very, very easy. So we'll do that. So in our next class, we will solve a numerical based on this process to make it more clear. Okay, that's all for today. Please do visit the YouTube channel and see all the videos which I am putting up. It takes effort. Okay.